G'day, welcome back to the Uzumaki Garage. If you regularly lift up your car and set it down on jack stands, you might be causing damage that can be avoided. Introducing the new and improved Uzumaki Garage jack stand adapters. A lot of the time I don't have access to a hoist, so I use a trolley jack to lift up the car and lower it down on jack stands. Most jack stands have a flat or slightly curved top like these ones. But if you use this kind of jack stand on some cars, their pinch welds can bend and eventually over time completely fold over, which looks horrible and the OEM scissor jack will no longer work properly. The scissor jack that comes with most Japanese cars has a basic adapter on top, which enables the jack to lift the car either side of the pinch weld without damaging it. I don't know of any jack stands available that protect the car's pinch weld, so I'll show you how I fabricate a simple adapter to sit on the top of my jack stands to see if I can make them better. I've parked the car on a flat concrete floor and chocked the wheels. I lift the car with a trolley jack under the front member. Push the jack stands in directly under the pinch weld. Slide the adapter along the pinch weld into position, then lift the jack stand up into place, which holds the adapter in position, straddling the pinch weld. I then slowly and carefully lower the car while making sure everything is centered and perfect. Well, that turned out really well. I've made a set of these jack stand adapters in the past using only an angle grinder, so you don't actually need lots of tools to make these. If this is your first time at my channel and you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Hit the subscribe button and notify bell so you can watch my videos improve. If you've learned something or you've got something to say, go on, write it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.